Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we have a collaboration and it's called the Spring Easter Tier Tray Collab, and that's hosted by At Penny's Place. Now the co-hosts are Marlene's How To's and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that's me. I'm going to be linking the hosts and the co-hosts down below in the description box along with their channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist so that you could see how everybody decorated their tier tray. Remember that subscribing to the channels is totally free. Also click that like button because this helps us to grow on YouTube. So now here I am at my coffee table cleaning off the tier tray. Now that I created with 2 chargers that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and it came out absolutely beautiful. So we're going to wipe that down and then redecorate it for spring and Easter. So since I was sitting here at the coffee table, I got a little bit carried away. So not only did I decide to decorate the tier tray, but I also decided to do a little vignette. And then I decided to go ahead and decorate the whole coffee table. So I'm loving the spring colors, and I am incorporating a lot of pink in this tier tray, which I absolutely love. So instead of making a rose box, I DIY'd this truffle bowl that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and came out beautiful with rose petals, and then on top, those roses, I placed pearls in. So we're going to go ahead and use this as the topper for that tier tray. So now here's a cute little shadow box that I decided to make a bunny out of. This came out so cute. So I'm going to go ahead and leave you the music while I decorate this tier tray. And this, I cannot wait for you to see the end result. Now, what I decided to do also is add some succulents to the tray, and I think that stepped it up a notch. So now the tier tray is done, and what I'm doing is working on the vignette. So as you can see, it's always going to take me taking stuff apart, moving stuff around until I'm happy with the placement. So we're almost ready for the reveal, and I do want to take a moment to thank the host and the co-host for this collaboration. Okay, now we are done. So let's head on over to the reveal, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.